it's Ria. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created my Grinch inspired drag look. So I was just going to do like a Grinch makeup look, but I wanted to kind of put my own spin on it with my drag. So I have added like the facial hair and features, etc. But of course, facial hair does not equal drag king, just to put that out there. But this is kind of like my interpretation of Travis Scott being seen as the Grinch at this time of year. So let's get into it. And of course guys, this is the final look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So much fun to do. I've been wanting to do it for ages and I finally got up today to do it. If you head over to my Instagram account at Mathematical, you will see the different looks that I've been doing for 12 days of Christmas and 12 days of Dragmas. So they are 24 different Christmas looks, themed looks that I've been doing throughout the month of December. and you can have a little look at what I have created at this time of year. But that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share, like and subscribe just as usual, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me in some future videos coming up in the new year, because it's almost 2021. What? Which is a whole, yeah. Are we ready? I don't know. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy holidays. Bye.